Your smartphone carries more bacteria than a public toilet seat, a genuinely shocking and unsettling reality. This invisible microbial threat constantly transfers directly to your face and hands with every interaction. Yet, a surprisingly simple, everyday household item holds the unexpected key to combating this pervasive issue effectively. Prepare to discover how a common bar of mild soap can revolutionize your device hygiene forever. Our smartphones, inseparable companions, become breeding grounds for countless germs from every surface we touch. Think about the public transportation, restaurant tables, and countless hands that contribute to this microbial ecosystem daily. Traditional cleaning methods often involve harsh chemicals like alcohol, which can severely damage your screen's protective olefophobic coating. Direct water application, even minimal, poses a significant risk of internal damage to sensitive electronic components. Many specialized phone wipes, while convenient, can be expensive and are not always readily available when needed. This creates a dilemma: how to effectively sanitize your device without compromising its functionality or lifespan. Surprisingly, the humble bar of soap offers a remarkably accessible and safe solution when applied correctly. Most people overlook soap for device cleaning, fearing moisture or residue, which are valid concerns if misused. However, understanding the specific technique unlocks a powerful and incredibly economical cleaning method. This method avoids harsh chemicals entirely, protecting your screen and ensuring your phone remains pristine. The secret lies in using a very mild, pH-neutral soap, preferably liquid hand soap, without harsh detergents or moisturizers. Never apply soap directly to your smartphone, as this could lead to liquid ingress or stubborn residue accumulation. Instead, create a highly diluted solution by adding just one tiny drop of soap to a small bowl of clean, distilled water. Stir the mixture gently until it forms a very light, almost imperceptible lather, indicating proper dilution has been achieved. Next, select a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth, ensuring it is completely clean and free from any abrasive particles. Dampen a small section of the microfiber cloth with your diluted soap solution, making it barely moist, not soaking wet. Wring out any excess liquid thoroughly. The cloth should feel barely damp to the touch, preventing water infiltration. Gently wipe the entire surface of your phone, including the screen, back panel, and sides, using light circular motions. Pay particular attention to high-touch areas, like the display and fingerprint sensor, where germ accumulation is highest. Be extremely careful around all ports, speaker grills, and buttons, avoiding direct contact with any liquid whatsoever. But here's a crucial detail many overlook, leading to damage. Immediately after cleaning with the damp cloth, use a separate, completely dry microfiber cloth to thoroughly buff the phone. This second dry cloth removes any remaining moisture or soap residue, preventing streaks and water spots from forming. The science behind this method is simple. Soap molecules effectively break down oils, dirt, and microbial membranes without harsh abrasion. Unlike alcohol, mild soap does not strip the vital olefophobic coating that repels fingerprints and makes your screen smooth. Let your phone air dry completely for at least 15 minutes before handling or using it, just to be absolutely safe. This ensures every last trace of moisture has evaporated, protecting your device from any potential long-term damage. What about the persistent myth of using soap to fill in small screen scratches? Applying soap directly into scratches is entirely ineffective and can actually trap moisture, causing more serious internal problems. A scratch is a physical groove. Soap cannot magically fill or repair damaged glass, despite what some online tips suggest. Another clever application of soap involves cleaning sticky residue from phone cases or the back of devices. A slightly stronger soap solution can gently lift adhesive remnants without using harsh chemical solvents that might damage plastics. Simply dampen a cloth with the stronger solution and carefully rub the sticky area until the residue dissolves away. Remember to always follow up with a clean, damp cloth and then a dry one to remove all traces of soap thoroughly. This precise, gentle approach ensures your device remains clean, protected, and fully functional for years to come. And the most surprising benefit isn't just about cleanliness. Many phone manufacturers actually endorse specific diluted soap solutions for cleaning certain water-resistant models. Always check your phone's official manufacturer guidelines for specific cleaning recommendations before attempting any method. But the principle of gentle, this simple technique offers universally a safe and effective powerful baseline for most devices accessible way to. This simple technique offers universally a safe and effective, powerful, accessible way to maintain device hygiene without specialized equipment. Implementing this soap-based cleaning routine significantly reduces the spread of harmful bacteria and viruses from your phone. You'll likely experience fewer skin breakouts on your face and clearer skin overall from a cleaner device. Proper cleaning preserves your screen's oliphobic coating, keeping it smooth, fingerprint resistant, and aesthetically pleasing longer. This inexpensive solution saves you money compared to constantly purchasing specialized and often overpriced cleaning wipes. The accessibility of mild soap means you can maintain hygiene anywhere, anytime, without needing special tech store products. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing your most touched device is genuinely clean and not a hidden reservoir of germs. This method empowers you to take control of your device's health and your own personal hygiene with confidence. You're no longer relying on potentially harmful chemicals or ineffective quick wipes for true sanitation. The surprising simplicity of this powerful solution makes it an indispensable addition to your regular tech care routine. Debunking common misconceptions about water and soap use ensures you clean your phone safely and effectively. This knowledge transforms a mundane chore into an informed, protective act for your valuable smartphone. Embrace this simple yet profound hack to keep your digital companion sparkling clean and hygienically safe. By using a gentle, diluted soap solution and a microfiber cloth, you can effectively sanitize your smartphone without damage. This accessible, cost-effective method keeps your device clean, protects its screen, and significantly improves overall hygiene. If you found this essential tip helpful, subscribe for more incredible smartphone hacks and practical tech insights. Also, share your favorite cleaning tricks in the comments below, and give this video a like if your phone feels cleaner already.